Hi, I'm Drew,
Hey, Paul here.
and we're with Denver Data Storytellers, a guru-free community of individuals that are passionate about telling stories effectively with data. And we're very thankful that you're interested in this group, interested in engaging, hopefully participating in many of our events. Who are we? We're a group of students, professionals, career changers, people exploring the field, really anybody that's passionate or interested in telling stories with data. And you might be curious, how did this group come about? Where did we come from? So I'll pass it over to Paul.
Yeah, absolutely. So Denver Data Storytellers started in 2017. Another person in the data communications community, Lydia Hooper, founded this group, hosted many of the events for the first few years, and then transitioned leadership over to me and a team of other people. And we have a leadership team of all volunteers, essentially, that coordinates activities for Denver Data Storytellers. And as we have evolved, it's become more than just Denver. And with COVID, we've been able to actually host virtual events that folks from all states can join. And so that's been really fun. Some of the events that we've hosted in the past. So we've held Introduction to Data Journalism with a Colorado Public Radio journalist, Andy Kenny. We've held a data visualization challenge in 2020, sponsored by a local consulting firm. One of our favorite events is something that we call Behind the Design, where local data visualization professionals can share one piece of their work in sort of a lightning talk and talk about some of the decisions behind it. So it's really been a range of educational events, from small group to quite large. Like we hosted Alberto Cairo, a nationally renowned data visualization author, a few years ago when we were able to host in-person events, and actually flew him out from Miami. So in addition to the educational events, we host some social events. So we try and do a regular happy hour. That's been something that we have reinstated since COVID has calmed down a bit. And we'll try to continue doing that. We also host a DataViz book club that people can join if you want to read the latest and greatest books about how to communicate effectively with data. So really a range of educational and social events. We also have the Slack channel, obviously, and we send out a monthly newsletter so that folks can stay informed and can really understand what's going on with the community. Speaking of community, there are a bunch of ways that you can engage with us, starting from simple to more complex, and I'll pass it to Drew so you can share a little bit more about those.
Yeah, so you're probably thinking, where do I begin? How do I get started? And yeah, so you've already taken some of the first steps. You've joined our Slack channel. Feel free to ask questions of the community. That's probably, number one, super helpful. That's how I got on board, beyond the lurker stage. You can attend events like Paul has mentioned. There's quite the variety, definitely all very beneficial. And you can always suggest things that you would like to see happen, or people that we might should be collaborating with.
Absolutely. We're an all volunteer group. And so very open to more volunteers who want to host things and bring community together in person or virtual. So just want to thank you again for being here. Super excited to have you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us or any of the several other members of the Denver Data Storytellers leadership team. And we'll be sure to be there to support. So thanks again for joining us, and we hope to catch you soon. Bye.